Hi beauties, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well. Firstly, I'm super excited to see you on a Sunday. Well, it wasn't enough for me to see you only twice a week, so I decided to show up here on Sundays as well. So you will see me thrice a week. Well, I can see you literally, but definitely from the light of my heart. I'm also very excited to launch two brand new series on my channel today. The first one, which is this one, it's called DIY Sunday. Today I'm going to be showing you two incredible DIYs for hyperpigmentation, acne scars and discoloration. And the second series you would already know if you've been following me on my community post. And that series also is going live today in a couple of hours. So stay tuned. I have some exciting stuff for you on Sundays. Now, the way it's going to work is on some Sundays, it'll be DIY Sundays. On some other Sundays, it's going to be the other series that I've been launching, which is a little bit of a surprise, if I may. So watch this video until the end. If you're new here, make sure you're subscribed to my channel and you also hit the notification bell to also follow me on my Instagram account. And now, without further ado, let's dive right into this video. Now, both the DIYs are very simple and there are only two ingredients each. The first DIY that I have for you, the first ingredient is honey. And I have 1 teaspoon of honey here. This is basically organic honey. I like to use organic honey. You can use whichever you like. And the second ingredient, very easily available in our household, is a good aloe vera gel. I like to use organic aloe vera gel. This one is from Soap Square. I have spoken about this brand earlier as well. Now, you can even use the plant aloe vera gel. It does not suit my skin. It tingles my skin. That's why I don't use the plant aloe vera. But if it suits you, please do go ahead. Now, I've taken about half a teaspoon of aloe vera and that's the consistency that you're looking at. It's neither too runny nor too thick. Now, I'm going to go ahead and apply this on my face. Now, I'm using a brush like this. You can use any brush or just apply it with your fingers. This is going to be a little bit runny, so you got to be a little bit careful. I start from the center of my face and then spread it out. Now, aloe vera in here has a compound called aloe, which is basically a depigmenting compound. So if you have pigmentation, hyperpigmentation, this is an excellent pack for you. Even if you have two-tone skin, you can use this pack twice or maximum thrice a week. This has all natural ingredients, no preservatives. So this is something that you can use thrice a week as well. And the honey in here is going to hydrate your skin. It's going to moisturize your face. This pack in particular is very good if you have dry skin, and even combination skin people are going to love this because of honey in here. Like I said, it's a natural moisturizer for the skin. Just make sure you apply it all over your face, and also make sure you're covering your neck in particular, because many a times, and I keep reiterating myself, when we are putting any skincare, we tend to forget the neck. The reason why you have two different colors on your neck and your face, a huge contributor is that you're not putting your skincare in addition to your face, you're not taking it down your neck. Now that I have an even layer sitting on my face and neck, I'm going to leave this on for 10 minutes and just wash off. Now, while this is sitting on my face, I do want to mention, guys, if I tell you any DIYs, they do take time to work because your skin regenerates itself after every 28 days. As we age, it can take even up to 40 days. So if you are anywhere above 45, 50, it's going to take a little bit longer, but generally on a middle-aged skin or a young skin, it takes 28 days to regenerate. So you have to make sure that all the DIYs, all the skincare takes time to show results. So many a times people reach out to me and say, oh, we've been using it for 2 weeks, I haven't seen results, because your skin needs time to heal. And especially in cases of hyperpigmentation, discoloration, you got to give it time. Now guys, do you see how even toned and clear my skin looks? This is an excellent DIY even if you have very dull and dry skin or having dry patches. Now, before we move on to the second DIY, I want to mention a very important skincare essential which a lot of you must be missing but should not, and that is using a good SPF. Using a good sunscreen is really important whether you're indoors or outdoors. A lot of you ask me, why do you need a sunscreen indoors? That's because UV rays penetrate glass as well, guys. So if you're not wearing a sunscreen indoors, you're actually harming your skin in the long run. Even if you have non-problematic skin, you will end up having issues like pigmentation, wrinkles, fine lines. I can't even list the number of problems you can have if you don't wear a good sunscreen. I have two here which I've been using lately. You guys know, if you've seen my sunscreens video, I love La Roche-Posay. But since I couldn't find that, I have two which are very easily available in India. And both of these I've been using quite a lot. When I'm outdoors, I need a higher SPF. That is a 40 plus SPF with UVA, UVB filter. So I like the Lush Shield. This is an excellent sunscreen, and whatever your skin type is, whether you're oily, combination, whether you're dry or you're acne prone, this is an excellent sunscreen to use. I have used this in the past and I repurchased this one. The second one that I have is actually a mineral sunscreen. I've been using this indoors, and this is from the brand Myoho Pure by Priyanka. It's their sun-kissed sunscreen, and this in particular has carrot seed oil, and this also has sea buckthorn oil. Carrot seed oil is a natural SPF protector. So both of these sunscreens are something that I am really using quite a lot and highly recommend them. Now moving on to our second DIY, and this is also very easy to whip. Only 2 ingredients. What I have here first is honey. This is organic honey right here. I have 1 teaspoon of honey. The next I would need some lemon, and I have about 3 or 4 drops of lemon here, which I'm going to pour into honey. Now if you have sensitive skin, guys, you must skip this DIY because lemon can be a little bit too much for sensitive skin. If you have normal combination or even dry skin type, people can use this. Now I'm going to just simply mix both these ingredients together and then just apply it all over my face. Now to show you the consistency is pretty similar to the first DIY because we had aloe vera there, so that's very good for sensitive skin. In fact, that is one DIY which I can recommend for any skin type. This one in particular also for any skin type except if you have sensitive skin, like I said. I'm just going to take my face pack brush, and this is a little bit more liquidy, and apply it all over my face. Again, starting from the center of my face. Now this has lemon, which has citric acid and which is a very good natural bleaching agent. So you can use this pack 2 to 3 times a week, and slowly but gradually you will see results. Now with any of the DIYs, guys, like I said earlier as well, you need to give it a little bit of time. You can't expect results by using them for a week, 10 days. Now that I have an even layer sitting on my face and neck, I'm again going to leave this for about 10 minutes, wash off and be right back. I removed the face pack and the results are in front of you. My skin feels so very supple. I also went ahead and applied some rose water. I like doing that after removing all my DIYs and face packs. The one that I use today is from Pure by Priyanka Myoho. And this is 100% pure rose water, which is obtained from steam distillation. Loving this product so much. Such a wonderful rose water and smells heavenly. So guys, with that, it's a wrap. I really do hope that you liked the first episode of DIY Sunday series. There'll be many more DIY videos coming up in the future. If you like this video, please do give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and also hit the notification bell. And until I see you next, guys, thank you so much for watching. Love you all. Bye-bye.